Are you looking for the top 5 best Nespresso machines you need? Struggling to find the perfect coffee machine that brews just right every time? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Limited Edition Vertuo Pop Plus. This limited edition Vertuo Pop Plus coffee and espresso maker by DeLonghi in pastel yellow is a real eye-catcher, priced at just $89. I love its compact design and vibrant color. If you want a stylish machine that brews a variety of coffees effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a quick 30-second heat-up time and one-touch precision brewing, you can go from craving coffee to sipping it in no time. Plus, this machine can create over 30 different coffee styles, from espresso to cold brew. Imagine waking up in the morning, popping in a capsule, and getting your favorite drink within minutes. The removable tank makes it easy to refill, and the hermetically sealed capsules keep your coffee fresh. With over 1,000 of these sold in just the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the limited color options and the fact that it's a bit smaller than some might prefer. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a compact machine that fits well in small kitchens or apartments, this is actually a plus. This is perfect for you if you're a coffee lover who enjoys variety but has limited kitchen space. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional, larger espresso machine. For $89, it's a great deal for those looking to add a splash of color. Product number 2. Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker by DeLonghi in gray is a fantastic upgrade at $169. I was impressed by its sleek design and functionality. If you want a versatile machine that can brew multiple coffee styles, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you. The Vertuo Plus offers 4 cup sizes, from a small espresso to a larger 8-ounce coffee, perfect for any occasion. The auto shutoff feature means you won't waste energy if you forget to turn it off. Plus, it heats up in just 25 seconds, so you're not left waiting. The complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules ensures you can try a variety of flavors right out of the box. With thousands bought recently, it's clear people are loving this. Now, some users have mentioned that they wish it had a built-in milk frother. Here's the thing though, if you're not too fussed about frothing your milk, you'll find this machine meets all your basic coffee needs without extra fuss. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine that does it all without being overly complicated. Skip this one if you're really into lattes or cappuccinos. At $169, it's a solid investment for anyone who enjoys different types of coffee. Okay, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for the product number 3, Vertuo Pop Plus with Milk Frother. Next up is the Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee and Espresso Machine by DeLonghi, paired with the Aerozino Milk Frother and Licorice Black, priced at $134. Honestly, I was genuinely surprised by how well this machine performs, especially with the frother included. If you're a fan of creamy drinks, this one is worth considering. This machine brews over 30 different coffee styles, so whether you're in the mood for an espresso, a macchiato, or a cold brew, it's got you covered. The app-controlled feature allows you to customize your brewing experience from your smartphone. The milk frother creates a rich, creamy foam that transforms ordinary coffee into something special. Plus, the 25.4-ounce capacity means you'll spend less time refilling. However, some users found the app a bit tricky to navigate at first. Here's the thing. Once you figure it out, the convenience it provides is totally worth it, especially for a tech-savvy coffee lover. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different coffee drinks at home. Skip this if you're a minimalist who prefers straightforward machines. At $134, it's a product number 4, the Citizen Original Espresso Machine. The Citizen Original Espresso Machine by DeLonghi in black is priced at $279.99 and offers a classic espresso experience with a modern twist. I found its design to be quite elegant, adding a stylish touch to any kitchen. If you appreciate both aesthetics and functionality, this is a machine to consider. This machine is all about delivering an authentic espresso experience. It's programmable, which means you can set it up just the way you like it. The included welcome kit comes with a variety of capsules, so you can explore different flavors right away. It also has a small footprint, perfect for those who want a classy look without overwhelming their counter space. With a solid number of sales, it's clear that many espresso lovers appreciate this machine. Now, some users have pointed out that it doesn't come with a milk frother. Here's the thing now, if you're primarily an espresso drinker, you might not miss it as much, and many prefer to keep their frothing process separate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish and elegant coffee machine that focuses on espresso. Skip this if you want something more versatile for lattes and cappuccinos. For $279.99, you're investing in quality and style. Lastly, if you want something a bit more compact but still powerful, the next product might catch.
Product number 5, Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker by DeLonghi in black matte with dark chrome, priced at $99. This machine caught my attention with its compact design and ease of use. If you're after simplicity without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth a look. This model brews a variety of coffee formats, including 5, 8, and 12-ounce sizes, plus single and double espressos. The one-touch system makes it incredibly easy to use, which is a huge plus if you don't want to deal with complicated settings every morning. It also features a quick 30-second heat-up time, ensuring your coffee fix is served promptly. With more than 500 sold in the past month, it's clearly drawing interest. However, some have noted that it might not have advanced brewing features like some higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a straightforward machine that delivers good coffee without fuss, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective coffee maker for daily use. Skip this if you need a wide range of customization options. For $99,
So, to wrap up, we've covered a great range of Nespresso machines today. If you're looking for fun and functionality, the limited edition Vertuo Pop Plus is a steal at $89. For versatility, the Nespresso Vertuo Plus is solid at $169. Fans of creamy beverages will love the Vertuo Pop Plus with milk frother for $134. For elegance, the City Z Original at $279.99 is a stylish choice. And if affordability is key, the Vertuo Pop Plus in black matte at $99 is hard to beat. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Nespresso Vertuo Plus because it balances versatility and quality perfectly at a reasonable price.